alright? It is our catch-up session. We are chilling with uNomfundo more. She is known as uNomfundo Ngobo, a Home Affairs. Right, professionally known as uNomfundo more. She's a South African singer, born and raised in KwaZulu-Natal. She first gained recognition after releasing Lilizela in 2021, for which she received a platinum certification in South Africa, and she continues to surprise us. She's in the studio. uNomfundo Mosquito More.
I
remember that conversation we had on Zoom. That's how she got the more, guys, just in case you didn't know. Yes, please do say good morning.
Good morning to my Jozi FM family, Sawona, Siswam, Sislumi, Program, Pele Pele, and the whole Jozi FM family.
Oh, thank you very much.
What an honor. Like, watching your journey, uNomfundo, has been one for the books. You know, like, I remember you coming out with music, and I'm thinking, who is this girl? And then we are graduating, and then they bring you Black graduation ceremony. And I am just like, what? You know, so much grace, so much mercy. We are absolutely pleased to have you here. What we just listened to is magic. And we will talk about the song a bit later on and everything else that you're doing. As for those that do not know who you are, which side of the world, but please do describe yourself in just one word.
Language. Echaza uNomfundo more lot.
Inkinga awuthu kodwa into eyi1.
Okay.
Umuntu wabantu.
Hey, that is cheating. Do we take it as one word?
Hey, inobuntu yona.
Hlangana Zulu yazi ukuthi into eyodwa.
Ngiyayibona lento yami. All right, okay, no, umuntu wabantu, we'll take it.
Thank you.
So you were born and raised in KZN. Status buyisele ekhaya.
Uzalwa nabo bani mfethu ufunda kwenzakalani mawuzalwa?
Well, uNomfundo akangcobo ukhulela eMdwedwe esigodini saseNtaphuka, wafunda eNtaphuka Primary School, emabangeni aphezulu waya eVarelem Secondary, and from there ngaye UKZN ngihlangane namaciko angisizile ukuthi ngiqhuquzeleke ngize ngifike la ngikhona namhlanje.
Yeah. Uzalwa nobani mfethu? Are you have
siblings?
siblings?
Home situation. Nobani nogogo kunomama nobani.
Yo, kuyaphithiza but ke ngingane ekhulele komalume eNgcobo ofuze ekhaya ikadladla omgabadeli, but both imndeni ibalekile kakhulu kimi. Ngumafungwaseke mina bafunda mina kwethu.
Awusuka.
So njengosisi omdala
usisi omdala wo.
Yes, mafungwase nginkosazana.
Hey, njobo ungaka.
Yeah, usisi omdala.
Umdala kanje kubani ungaka?
Impela ngimdala kwethu, so
loving it.
Yeah, I think local sometimes reflect even in my music, because ngiyakhubuthi okay, I need to set a good example kulabo abangilandelayo.
Yeah.
So local even kuya reflectera nabo music engiwenzayo, because nayo lento ukuthi baningi abantu abalalela abadala nabancane. So kulabo abasafuna ukuhamba indlela thizeni
bafunda kwabaphambili
bangabukela kimi.
And bewufuna ukwenzani Joe? Like, was it always music or now uyilezi mangikhula ngodokotela, ngikhula ngothisha? Abazali bathini lesikhathi? What did you want to do?
Well, njengoba bekise UKZN ngifunda social work, bengithi Bachelor of Social Work.
Yeah.
So mina nje engqondweni yami namaphupho ami wonke abengidela to social work.
Yeah.
Siza abantu. That's why ngithi ngumuntu.
But you're doing it even now.
You're social work.
Hey.
Exactly. I actually make
socially and you are working. We are within.
Definitely. And yeah, I ngithi it's all God's grace ukuthi ngikwazi ukwenza go2 ukuthi okay. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngibe umuntu wabantu entweni futhi engithandayo, because umculo bekuyinto engithandayo. It's just that I know
we can take you internationally, you know, like how has the industry been for uNomfundo more?
Yo, when my career began, I won't just grab any opportunities. It had to make sense.
Nice.
Because yababona
industry.
So it was actually very hard for me to trust people. So you had to come with something very solid for me to believe we might go somewhere. So omunye wo Butbami approached me, and the offer actually made sense to me. Hence, we started working. We had Lili Zela. We had the album Amagama, which won Isama for Best Afropop Album.
Yeah.
So from now we actually have something good going on. So as because you never know what's in store for me and for us.
That man. So since Longster is asking about the industry, ungene industry umncane Joe. And I'm sure industry inama vulture, kunama bubesa kulindile and stuff like that. Any stories maybe that went to nearly ama vulture lawo, or were you treated badly, or what you abakufukamelayo zandiza?
Ngingasho ngithi umusa usaphezulu kwami kwamanje because noma kuthiwa khona ama vouchers but akakabi ne-access noma bakakwazi ukuthi bakwazi ukungithola because vele ngumuntu who's actually reserved. I can protect my space, and nabantu engisebenza nabo they understand how much it means for me ukuthi space sami sibe protected. So I don't just let everyone empilweni yami. I have to love you in a way, even from afar, for me to work with you. So I don't just work with everyone.
Nice.
Beautiful.
So, very level-headed. How old are you, by the way?
I'm turning 24 in July.
So, so uNomfundo, unengondo yabantu abana 40, una 24.
No, I've heard of 40-year-olds that are not even there.
You know what it does, ukuba usisomdala, as I said.
Oh, from a car.
It's a position you're born into, right? And that you carry through everything that you do, and it shows. All right, so you just exposed a new business to us on socials. Let's talk about that a bit.
Oh yes, we have Lama restaurant opening soon.
Lama.
Yes. Lamar.
Lama.
Yes. So
what does it mean? Does it have any specific meaning, or does it just sound nice?
It sounds nice.
It does sound nice.
It sounds very catchy as well.
Does
so
sound Lama.
It's just easy for you to say Ngisaya Lama.
Ngisaya Lama, and
it does.
Yes,
awesome. It's like figure uzulu athi hawe maha.
Tell us about the business and the importance of feeling that you needed to branch out into other business ventures and extend your brand to that sector.
No, bekade sicabanga with my team, or bekade ngizama ukubahlupha ukuthi no, we have to find something else to do. Cela ningisize with that because bona for sure bane experience ethe kuba ngcono kuneyami. So I asked them ukuthi okay, cela ningisize if I want to do something else ngalego music yini engayenza. So ke sathi ukucabanga sabona ukuthi okay kunendawo evaliwe laphayana. It's just an open space, a very beautiful space, so we can just transform that place and make it very beautiful.
Like a diner.
Yes.
Love it.
Is there any specific reason why you choose Eastspruit View, or is it just the spot that you discovered, Wuti, it's available and you think you can work on this particular structure?
No, ngibona ukuthi sports available futhi ngakwazi ukusebenza kuso, also because ne studio sami si around because the first
okay. That's nice. I respect.
Yes. Oh yes, and sikhambula eThekwini
So I love what you do. You know, when you started uNomfundo, you spoke about what you've seen kuma musicians wakudala. You know, because lento singayifihli nje ihambe uthola ukuthi umuntu sekayahlupheka kanti bekadumile. You know, I respect this ezifana lama restaurant because should anything happen, we were talking about Lira earlier on, it cannot even be ukuhlupheka ngoba reckless. Sometimes ngenzeka ukuthi voice but there's something that sustains you financially. You know what I mean? For a 24-year-old Joe, ungenza ngifile useless.
I wanted to get to the latest single. Oh my gosh. I actually did not listen to it intentionally because I wanted to hear it in the space, you know, and you did exactly what I expected. It played and you sang.
Yes.
And the magic happened, right? Because I was just like, it makes sense. I was like, you know, usually before interviews we'd like research and go listen to what's the song about, and I just thought I'm not going to listen. I want to hear the song with you in the presence of the song. And it just worked out like magic.
You can't even say from the horse's mouth.
Right.
Because you are so tiny, it's from the pony's mouth.
I'm up with.
Let's talk about the new
Let's
music.
talk about the new music. You've got your latest single. You're featuring Msaki and Kespen.
How did you get all these people in one
Number
go?
one is it's different worlds. Okay, Msaki, I understand why you'd align. Kesper on the other end. Okay.
You know uNomfundo and these collabos asuke ngalindelekile.
Hey,
That's me. I don't want to be predictable.
Yeah.
You know? I just want to show up and be
Yeah.
like, oh wow. And also ungathuka mangisa post about something ungakayizi ukuthi hey izoba njani le.
Yeah.
It didn't make sense.
uNomfundo.
We made it work because
It's three different worlds, eh?
Yes, khona lento le I believe in ukuthi ezinye ingoma ama concepts are so strong ngendlela yokuthi you need to hear my perspectives abantu from different spheres.
Yeah.
So that's what happened with the song. The song was inspired by a waterfall and God's grace. Ukuthi okay, umusa kaNkulunkulu ufanisa nempophoma, just like how it rains on you.
Kumile lezansi.
Kunjalo nje.
Yeah.
So ziningi indlela zokuba grateful when owazi ijourney yakho ukuthi ngobula uqhamukaphi. So this song is all about gratitude, being thankful for that grace. So Msaki vele I've always wanted to work with her. Ongangokuba ngamthola sihlangana kwenye gig esezoba nje kwi hiatus and then ngamcela ngathi siswami I know ukuthi awusafuni lutho to do with music at the moment.
I need you.
Ngiyacela please just one song.
One song.
And Shem akazange anginike inkinga wangihlonipha saba ne session naye. Created this beautiful masterpiece. Senza ichorus so too baba mnandi and wenza sure ukuthi ufaka a lot of backings and everything and then we will choose what we want. And so kwangaba nankinga sema sesilalela ingoma and then how about we add someone else? And also I got very inspired by Jenny Kesper as someone enkhule simlalela eshaya odog shebele. And for him manje kade sanda khiphi album uyabona manje ukuthi ukulento le yokukhombisa ubukhulu baNkulunkulu empilweni yakhe. So it's like it would make sense to have him in this song, especially if we're talking about gratitude.
The thinking process.
Yes, because I want to hear.
Bawuloko na 24 mawucabanga leyo. How did you get Kesper then?
Love it.
Oh, I got my team ukuthi ngicela nizame ukungithintela i-team yakhe. So kwaba njalo bangithintela i-team yakhe nangempela wa recorder yena kwesakhe studio. We did not record together. Ngase ngirecordile
nomsaka.
And then wasithumelela futhi naye fast qhwika ngaba stress masilalela ingoma I'm like
praise.
Say iphelele. Oh man. You know, I'm putting myself in that in that story you're telling us about. But I wanted to find out, Nomfundo, you know, especially mozocela abomsaki nabo Kesper. You know, sometimes abanye banokuthi uyafika ku-industry ubani wena or mina nginemali ukudlula wena, whatever the case might be. What I want to know from you into yokuthi mawubacela so ubhalile already or ubacela ukuthi bafake nabo abacabangayo ngale ngoma. How does this thing work?
Well, mina ke ngik-approach ngisabona ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. So ngingakabhali because ngisengibona ukuthi na ukuhlangana kwami nawe ungenza something nice and abantu bangathatha something from whatever we create in studio. Because for me it's not even about creating hit songs, but I want a classic. I want a song that will last forever there. Noma thiwa ubani umzukulu kabani uyafika next time uzalela le ngoma. Yes.
It's a better kulandawo.
I believe in that type of music. So if ngikuthandile umoya wami wathanda, I will definitely approach.
Ayikho into oyizwayo ngami like umoya. Akunamoya mfana.
Mhlawumbe nje mongangixolisa nje le ngoma khona spark.
I'm picking up so much maturity, which is insane.
Big time.
But I'm also picking up is self-awareness. You keep on saying if it doesn't make sense to me. You say even if it's management, it had to make sense to me, not to the industry, not to the standards, you know. And I didn't say I'm creating a hit. I just said I like Msaki's work, and I said I love Kesper's journey. For me, for my song, this is what I want. I think the power in you lies in knowing you.
Kunjalo nje impela. And I think wonke umuntu kumele ayizame leyo nto leyo. Just try to understand yourself and what you want, because kwesinye isikhathi kunzima ukuphilela ukuplease abanye abantu. Because kumele umuntu mayethi nomfunda ngithanda ingoma yakho ugcina ukuyikhipha. But I know that I can stand for it. What I know, I can king. But I know this one is gonna change a lot of people's lives because ngiyenze ngokuzethemba.
Yo,
We
we've
want
got
to
a
play
game.
We
We've
want
got
to
8
play a
questions for
game.
you.
We want to play a
I'm gonna
game.
time you for a minute.
We've got a minute on the clock.
Yeah.
Okay.
You just answer whatever comes to your mind first, right? There's no wrong or right answer. It's just a game. Are you ready?
Ready.
Is the clock ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's play. Mfundo, kwaito or amapiano?
Amapiano,
What's your biggest fear?
water.
Childhood celebrity crush?
I'm not going to crash.
Ah,
A celebrity, no.
No. Namanje. Worst piece of advice you ever got?
Follow your heart.
True story. True story. One thing that no one knows about you.
I'm going to be good.
Namanzi
I
la.
went there,
Yeah, but then-
which you constant. Right? The biggest risk you ever took.
Doing music.
What's your favorite takeaway?
MacD.
Ay, Lama. That's the wrong answer. That's the wrong answer. It must be your favorite thing. What is the motto you live by?
The
We're out of time,
motto.
but we will wait for the motto because we want to
Okay.
inspire everyone else.
Mina motto ichichi ai ngiyakusiza.
Motto, baby, motto, bafo.
Yeah.
Motto, ne? Motto. Yeah.
Akekho umuntu oneqiniso okudlula wena, to you.
Wow, that's deep.
You are your own truth.
That is so deep, Nomfundo. Ay. Oshona 42. I 24.
Shusilingana nomama.
Kontonga stereo.
She's an old soul, but
Loving
I love
it.
it for
I
you.
believe that.
Right, you
That's
are an
beautiful.
old soul.
Yeah.
It really comes across. All right, so the latest single, where do we find it, and is there more music coming?
Umusa featuring Caspanyo Vest and Umsaki is out now, available on all digital stores. Please stream as much as you can. And there's more music coming. Manini Jama singles engengawathiza even nabo TikTok kanjena. I've got a beautiful song with Uzugo nayo isendleleni
Yeah.
iyeza. And who knows, if you guys keep on showing me so much love, I might just release another fire album before the year ends.
I see another platinum.
We are showing you love, Naganjan. We want to see that.
Umusa is my favorite song for the weekend, by the way. Like, I am taking it home with me.
Thank you, Nomfundo.
On social media handles, where do we find you, babe?
Ngiyatholakala on Instagram at uNomfundo. Ngitholakala on Facebook. My page is nomfundo_music. Kanjalo na Twitter it's nomfundo_mo.
Love it. So we do this on the Big Breakfast at Jozi FM. Sitting ngesizulu sikunika imbali zakho uyihokele usaphila. We really love you. The time is not enough for ukukhuluma nawe, but again, because of umsakazo, we just want to say thank you for showing up. Siyakunqanya jo, awuna idea.
Thank you so much. You know,
Sifuna
like,
ukubonisa ukuthi kuze kuphume enye album.
you are such an inspiration. I don't think you even understand the magnitude of the power that you carry. So may God and your guys carry you. All of the best in the journey. Can't wait to come and dine.
Thank you
Dining.
so much.
Yeah, Lama.
Guys, Lamako's Breakview, please note it.
Let us know once ivula usazise, please.
Ngizobuya.
Tell us, you want to come to the launch, you want to come see, you want to come taste.
Yeah, we want to come through.
Nah.
Thank you very much, eh?
All of the best, babe. Well done to you.
Loving it.
Well done.
Nomfundo more, ladies and gentlemen. It is